Don't worry about it.
What?
Don't do that.
I wanted to hear you sing.
I don't want anybody in my singing.
Why?
Because it's about love and I don't want anybody to hear it. I'm not ready.
It's about love?
Yes.
What kind of love?
I'm telling you.
Why?
No! It's not funny!
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
It's cute. I like your singing. You have a good voice.
I'm not singing.
Why?
I don't like to sing. Leave me alone.
I'm the paparazzi. I'm following you. You're a singer. To chase you.
No.
You know what happens when you hit the paparazzi, right? You go to jail. Mhm.
Liar.
Yep, you go to jail
You're lying.
for the rest of your life.
No, you're lying.
Famous people can't hit.
Yes, it can.
That's a puny punch.